and gentlemen, it's your boy, the absolute legend.
Yeah, boy.
You know how it is, guys. We're back again with another unboxing video on the channel.
Yes, sir.
And today is a special one, guys. We're unboxing the big boy, the iPhone XX Max. I don't know who named that. That name is just...
Try
it! So this is the brand new unboxing on the channel, guys. For those who don't know also the unboxing videos, I've done a couple, as you can see on your screen right now. Now, this is the box, as you can see, guys, from this camera angle, because your boy just moves like that. Marcus Brownlee, you know how I do this.
No.
I know you guys are probably wondering, where did I get the money to buy this, right? And the answer for that is very simple. Support a creator, donations, you know, and all of that. Now, I bought this phone as a gift. It's not actually my phone necessarily. I bought it as a gift for my sister's wedding. For those who don't know, my sister is getting married. Don't worry, no, I understand you guys want to be there at the wedding.
Inshallah.
Anyway, this is a gift just to show her a little bit of appreciation. For those who don't know, my sister was one of the founders of my YouTube channel, if that's the right word to use here. She actually, you know, donated the first capital, where I used that money to buy the PlayStation 4, the TV, the system, and everything. For those who have seen my first gaming setup, 80% of the things on those setup, my sister provided.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
There we go. Oh, it's a box inside of a box. I don't like where this is going. If this is a box inside another box, then this is going to be really annoying. What the hell is this? Where is the phone? What the hell is this? Am I being pranked? Because I don't like where this is going. Okay, I think this is it. Ladies and gentlemen, I think this is it. I want to start by saying thank you to every single one of you. Because without you guys, this would have been completely impossible. Where I got the money to buy this phone is very simple. Support a Creator was the first, you know, source. So guys, please keep on using Support a Creator Swahili_gamer in the item shop. The next thing is also donations from you guys. I want to shout out Abbas. You guys know them. I'll put the names on the screen as well, just so that you can know these people. I want to shout out Malik, because Malik has been supporting me like crazy. For those who even watch the channel, they already know Malik has been a G since I don't know when, guys. It would mean a lot if you guys subscribe to him. His channel is right here on your screen. If you guys go subscribe to him, that would be amazing, because this guy's been supporting me for years, to be honest.
Okay.
We record every video and every vlog using the iPhone X. That is how we put out the content, ladies and gentlemen. We use that one phone. So the battery in that phone isn't the best, for those who don't know. But with this one, the battery is way better. So yeah, anyway. Oh my god, there we go, ladies and gentlemen. The 512 GB. This is the iPhone X box, ladies and gentlemen, for those who know the iPhone X, that is. And this is the X Max. As you can see, the size difference. They say size doesn't matter, but let's all agree it does. Hopefully, I don't use this phone for my evil ways like the other one. Woo! It seems like it's not been opened before. Alright, that is the wrapping paper. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the iPhone, the brand new iPhone. Whoa, ladies and gentlemen, there we go. Can you see that beauty? Can you guys see that beauty? This is the iPhone. This is the, what is it called? The charging brick. Nobody really uses this. I'm not even, what is this? We're not in the USA. What is this connection? Do you see what I mean here? As usual, ladies and gentlemen, you have to do the smell test. You know how we do this. Oh my freaking gosh, ladies and gentlemen. It smells nothing short of pure quality.
Boy, if you don't...
These are the earphones. They're not AirPods Pro, definitely, as you can see, but say. Anyway, that's that. And this is the charging cable. As you can see, yep, that is the charging cable. And that's about it. I don't think you get anything else in the box. Yep, that's it, definitely. There we go. The Apple logo, ladies and gentlemen, as you can see on your screen right now. Chee! Ladies and gentlemen, are you seeing that?
That was legitness.
Anyway. There we go. English is my language. Now, I'm not sure if you guys can see this, because the phone I'm using to record here is a bit low in terms of battery, so it might turn off randomly without me knowing. But let's see if we can do this with you guys here. So I'm gonna bring my iPhone closer. Basically, you know the setup process. I'm gonna bring my iPhone closer and I'm gonna try and update this and then see. I guess we'll continue after that because I'm gonna be using this phone here.
2 hours later.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're currently at the setup process. As you can see here, it's very difficult to do it like this, but just so you guys can get a quick understanding of what's happening here. This is the X Max and this is the X. So all you need to do is just bring the phones closer and then this happens, as you can see here. Yeah, let's continue from here then. So you press continue. So this is going to transfer every file I have basically on the new phone. As you can see here, there's like a camera and a thing that I need to like look into. I'm not sure if you guys can see properly here. Yeah, so I'm supposed to like balance this out here. Alright, just a moment. Getting things ready, ladies and gentlemen. Continue on your other iPhone. Keep this iPhone near your other iPhone while setting it up. I'm transferring. So this is the old iPhone that I used to have. This iPhone is the iPhone X, ladies and gentlemen. Listen up, guys. This phone right here is one of the best iPhones that you can ever need. You don't really need anything else. The Pro Max, 11, 12, 13. If you have this iPhone, you're pretty much set, to be honest. But for those who don't know, I do YouTube, and a lot of my recordings usually based on this phone. This is the phone that I used to do a lot of my recordings, my vlogs, my public videos. I do public pranks, for those who don't know. Here is one on the screen right now. That is a public prank I did. I recorded with the iPhone. I use this phone quite a lot. And the biggest problem with this iPhone right here, the iPhone 10, is the battery. Other than that, the phone itself is amazing, it's perfect, it's awesome. But the battery is a problem. So that's the reason that I upgraded to the X Max. And also, this is going to be a gift to my sister for the wedding and everything, as I've said in the intro. So that's what's happening. I'm just giving you the schematics, as Atuna usually says. So this is the 512 version, 512 GB. That means we can record a lot of videos for you guys. That is me, MashTube, Tunia. We do these videos for you guys, you know, public videos, public vlogs. With this one, we have unlimited storage, so we can record pretty much everything. And also, the battery is going to be better. That means we can record for longer. So it's a win-win, basically. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, the setup is done. The iPhone is fully functional and it's amazing, to be honest. I am highly impressed with this bad boy. The Face ID is way faster than the one on the 10. And also the screen is way bigger because I have big fingers. As you can tell, I'm a big boy, ladies and gentlemen. I'm a big man. I do big things. You know how it is. It's a big boy thing.
What a nigger.
The iPhone is amazing. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think it's incredible, and I'm gonna be using this one to make every single video, including the video where I give my sister this one. This will be her new phone. She's currently using the iPhone 6s or something, and she complains a lot about the phone. So I thought I should give her this as a wedding present. So if you guys want to see that video, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, turn on notifications. And yeah, that's about it with the phone, ladies and gentlemen. That's about it with the phone. Thanks for watching. You guys are awesome. I'm sorry if the video is too long, because I know I usually make long videos at times. But I just wanted to share this experience with you guys. Thank you so much to the people that actually watch my content. Abbas, my boy Abbas, has been donating mad. Shout out to Malik. Shout out to the people that you support at creator_gamer. It is you guys that made this possible. I wanna put it out there. It is you guys. I didn't afford this phone. It's impossible for me to afford this phone. But it's because you guys watch the content, you donate, you subscribe, that I'm able to do things like this. So guys, if you want to see more unboxing videos, you know what to do. Smash the like button. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on notification, guys. quality content is coming soon. We're now doing public videos, as you've seen on the channel. We're now doing madness on the channel, guys. So please, don't worry about it. Subscribe if you haven't, turn notification. Check out my cooking channel with the boys, Bashtube and Tunia. It's in the description. I've got advice for those who want to see that. Also, check out my boys, ladies and gentlemen. Malik, Musili, Tunia, Bashtube. These guys are also amazing and they're supporting me like crazies back then. So yeah, anyway, this phone I'm not going to be selling it because I told you it's a gift for my sister. So that's why I'm not going to be able to sell this one. But with the iPhone SS Max, guys, if we hit 50,000 subs, I'm selling this to one of you guys at a significant discount. You know how I do this, guys. You know how I do this. So yeah, anyway, subscribe if you haven't, turn notifications. I love all of you guys. See you guys in the next one. Use support the creator _gamer for more content. See you in a bit and peace.